Forget everything you know about trading, because these 4 things changed my trading life forever. I want to show you how these 4 things, I have implemented them so that you can also change your life. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. Watch till the end, because I guarantee that you will change your life with this video. Let's jump into it. Number 1 is defining a specific time for you to trade. So when I started, I used to look at the charts and I would think that I have 24/7 opportunities to make money in the market. But this is far from the truth, because there are no rules and the market is ruthless. If you have no edge in the market will eat you alive. And obviously we will take your money and put that in our account. So how do you define a specific time to come and trade, and what are the criteria that you use? This is what I did. So if you look at volume, so volume is down here. And I want us to go and look at the last 2 weeks. And there is a very specific pattern that you will see. So notice that during the whole day, so the day begins at this dotted line, ends at this dotted line. So the whole day, volume is down, but notice how volume kicks in at a very specific time of the day. Same thing here. We have volume being low, and then boom, we have that spike in volume. Same thing, boom, spike in volume. Low volume spike at very specific times of the day. And so this is the criteria that you use, because you want to trade when there is volume, meaning your trades will take less time and you will have less drawdown in your trades. So what is the best time for me? From 9:30 a.m. New York time to 11 a.m. And these are the rules concerning the trading time. You cannot trade outside of your timing window. So anything before 9:30 is garbage. Anything after 11 is garbage. Number 2 is having a clear entry plan. Now, remember, trading is only defined into 2 things. Where do you get in? Where do you get out? And a lot of the times I used to struggle, where should I get in? I know price will go down, but where exactly should I get in so that I capture the momentum? And this is something I want to show you. Very simple. And anybody can do this. So when you come to the markets at 9:30, what you'll notice is that maybe price was going up, doing its thing like that. But it will show you support and resistance, clear support and resistance. Now, how do you draw the levels? Because this is where a lot of traders struggle. Where do you draw the levels? So what you do is, once you come to the screen, look to your left and identify the most recent support and resistance level. It's as simple as that. So look for at least 2 touches to the upside and 2 touches to the downside. And then once you do that, you draw a high and a low like that. Now you have a range. Your entry is when price breaks out either to the upside, giving you a bullish candle like that, or breaks out to the downside and gives you a bearish candle. Now, you might be wondering, how about the retest? Remember the volume. When there is volume in the market, retests do not happen often. Price just picks one direction and just goes in that direction. And so what you want to capitalize on is those trades that do not have retests. Once you get in 2 candles, you are out and you move on with your day. That was a game changer for me, 100%, because now that is a universal entry. And I am not the only one using this. My mentor, Stacy Buck, is using it. My other mentor, Mamba FX, is using it. I am using it. And we are all killing it. So this is perfect. Number 3 is exit strategies. Now, you have to realize that, and maybe you have experienced this. Price never really goes to your TP all the time. Sometimes price will go to your TP. Sometimes it will go and almost reach your TP before reversing. And if you have not secured some profits, you lose all your profits, and there's a possibility that you even lose the risk that you put in. So how do you come up with a simple emergency exit? And I will show you a very simple concept. So here's the thing. If you are buying, a good sign for you is when the next candle is a bullish candle and it's a breakout. And even the next candle, if it's a bullish candle, that is good. You cannot worry about that. The only time you get worried is when, if you are long, you start seeing bearish candles. Remember, we have volume in the market. And if we have volume and suddenly all the buyers now are weak. So a red candle like that means price is pausing. And if price is pausing, that is consolidation. Now, if you see it as consolidation, then it's like the way you entered. So you saw there was a consolidation, price broke out, you got in. A breakout is what will determine whether you close your position or hold. And this is how it happens. If the next candle continues going up like that, then you continue holding. However, if the next candle breaks to the downside, now this is strength for the sellers. So this is your emergency exit if you are buying. What if you are selling? So if you are selling, same thing. You want the next candle to be bearish like that, and then you want the next one to be bearish like that. And the moment you see a bullish candle, price is stalling. And if price is stalling, then you wait for the second candle. If the second candle continues going down, then you are good. If it goes up, then you exit your trade because that is your emergency exit. And then lastly is combining all of them. So number 1, you know when to come to the markets. Number 2, you know when to get in. Number 3, you know when to get out. Number 4, which is the secret to being consistently profitable, is putting that specific time on your calendar and showing up every single day in that time. This is going to be a bit hard, but once you do it for like 1 month, then it becomes automatic. Nurses working abroad. I work with nurses just like you to help you make an extra income without you feeling like you are working more or living from paycheck to paycheck. If you are interested, link in the bio. And for the rest of you guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments so that I can make videos explaining them. If you got value from today's video, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.